Join us, and we will see you next time for more Catchphrase. Good night!
A brand new drama that takes us into the cutthroat world of a super rich family, but their huge wealth comes at a cost. Watch Riches now on ITVX. But your detective skills are called into action next tonight here on ITV1. We're right back with all new The Masked Singer.
Furniture Village, proud sponsors of Christmas on ITV.
My name is Alexander Litvenko. I need to report a murder.
Whose murder?
Mine. I write a book about Russia, about corruption. They want to kill me.
You have a name?
His name is Vladimir Putin.
Sasha was murdered.
An unidentified poison has been deployed in central London. I need you to go to Moscow. We follow the poison, we find the poisoner.
You know where they are? They're running the clock out on us. There is no extradition agreement.
To get justice, it is almost impossible. I want to continue fighting. You stop! I will never stop!
Litvenko, stream free on ITVX.
Daddy!
Welcome back, doctors.
Oh, you've been on maternity leave for 2 years.
I need some help in here, please!
You're a mother, you're a doctor. Have you ever considered one might make you better at the other?
Maternal starts this January on ITV1 and ITVX.
5 pairs of contestants, 1 gold card. Whoever locates the card will be living it large. Spend it wise to avoid surprise.
Now on ITV1, Joel Dommett and the gang are back for the brand new series of The Masked Singer.
On the beach.
On the Beach, proud sponsors of The Masked Singer.
On the beach.
It's the brand new reality series where spending 50 grand is the aim of the game. Watch Loaded in Paradise now on ITVX. And it's brand new drama here on ITV1 tomorrow night. Matthew McFadden stars in Stonehouse at 9 o'clock. Daniel Craig stars as 007 in our movie next tonight, though. No Time to Die, coming up in 5 minutes.
On the Beach, proud sponsors of The Masked Singer.
On the beach.
The greatest show on ice, Dancing on Ice, returns this January on ITV1 and ITVX.
Okay, Matthew, why don't we try a little exercise? Every time I clap my hands, you change character.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to start with you as John Stonehouse from your new show, Stonehouse, on ITVX, the UK's freshest streaming service, with more new shows for free than anywhere else. Are you ready?
Sure.
Let's go.
Hello, I'm John Stonehouse, and I'm... Are you going to tell me who the next character is?
Sorry, am I going to what?
Tell me who the next character... Should I just pick something?
Cowboy.
What did you say, cowboy?
Baseman. John Stonehouse, in space. John Stonehouse, in the Wild West. John Stonehouse at the Battle of Waterloo. What are you doing? What's he doing?
I'm a director.
I'm
a director doing an insane improvisation class.
It's not very good, Matthew. It's not your best. Move on to the next one. Stop clapping. Next one. Don't encourage it.
ITVX, the UK's freshest streaming service. Stream free.
Happy New Year to you all. Stephen Fry here. Head over to ITVX, where A Year on Planet Earth is available to stream free. Now, time for 007. With flashing images, it's no time to die.
Don't worry. She can't escape the electric fence.